What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to FREEBALLIT Mechanic. And I have been absent for a long time. Can't say no fault of my own fault, because there was days where I could have dropped a video, explained something, just to put that effort in. I didn't do that. What you want to call it? Procrastination got the better of me. A lot of time, procrastination gets the better of me. But I made this window. Please, why are you doing this to me? Anyways, hopefully you guys can hear me clearly. The window is being rebellious. It doesn't want to go up. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So today's video is gonna be kind of like where I've been, what's been going on kind of video, and about the car that I'm in right now, which is my second car, because I had a car before this and I gave it back to the person, tough spot they were in, and so I got a 2003 CL500. I guess this video is kind of going to go over what has it been like, really, owning a older vehicle, not just Mercedes. Ooh! Holy, hold on. Yo, bro, there's a MC20. Hold on, I'm following this guy. Wait a minute. Please, bro. Yo, that's crazy. Hold on. We're taking a break. We are taking a break, bro. We're taking a break. This is so dope. Hold on. So as I'm recording the video, guys, MC20 pulls up. Ophthalmologist. Look at it. Look at it, man. Look at it. Oh, jeez. If I had a pencil, I'll just write my number down so I can call this guy, so I can get a ride around, bro. Look at it. It's so dope. Look at the wheels. Look at the wheels. Sheesh, bro. All right, man, I got my food. Like I was saying in the previous video, I don't know if I said it before the MC20 kind of came and scrambled my brain. Anyways, so I'm back on the road again. I'm going to the spot where I think it's going to be good to record the outdoor part of the video, going around the car, pretty much just running my flat. Anyways, what's going on, everybody? I'm back from Chick-fil-A. I didn't even start eating it yet. I wanted to actually eat it first, but I didn't start eating it yet. Anyways, because I just decided to get into the video. So this is going to be like what's it's been like living with this car for the last year. So I got this car last year around April. It's June. I've had it for more than a year. I had it like a year and some change. And was the choice to get this car worth it? Now, whenever you have something good and it breaks down, or anything, you get a house, you're good, then the plumbing breaks. It's a problem. You're going to be like frustrated, angry at the moment. But overall, I have not really regretted getting this car, because like Jack Sparrow said, man, this car is like it's like freedom. When I get in this car is when I know that when I wanted to go somewhere, I could just hop in, turn the key, and just bounce, man, make like Michael Jackson and just get out of here, And I can't say that I regretted it too much. It will be more that the situation that I'm in is, financially is a bit, rough. But outside of that, just looking at the car, how I feel when I'm driving the car, even coming home from work, you're tired, sitting for something that you own, something that you wanted to get and you got it. That sometimes kind of outweighs the logic behind, oh, you're gonna get something reliable, blah, 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 blah. So you know what I'm saying. So I have enjoyed having this car over the year, through the ABC blown out on me on the highway, the tire hopping off on me on the highway. For those who've been subscribed to watch the videos, they've seen that happen.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
The 2003 CL500. Now, walking around the car, as you can see, she's dirty. She's been outside. There's no garage, so she's been outside. And she's dirty, she needs a wash. But I just decided to just go with it like an as is type of way. Just as she is, just how it is. No fancy stuff trying to, make something appear as it's not. So we're just gonna go at it just exactly as it is. So from the frontal view here, as you can see, headlights. Headlights need to be done. I'm missing my emblem. My front emblem, unfortunately, flew off on the highway. There is a bumper rash right there where I'm pointing at it. If you can probably see it, there's a bumper rash right there. Some bumper rash on the bottom, right by the fog light down there by the bottom. There's a bumper rash right there. Underneath there is scraped out. Right there scraped out from when I had the car lowered too much, because I did in fact got the ABC out. I'm on coils right now. The bad thing about that is I need my front end redone. So needing my front end redone and having coils is kind of like a, don't have to worry about the ABC hose blowing out again. But at the same time, I need to get the alignment done so I can stop eating through tires and stuff like that. So, in the picture, indivisible. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, here we go. We're just gonna do a quick walk around to some of the faults and stuff that needs to get looked at and done. Fender line crack. This still in the car. This needs to be done. TLC redone up here. Definitely needs to be resprayed. Bam. Then I gotta figure out something about in here. These are the coils in there. So I gotta figure that out. The back hood. The trunk needs to be redone as well. Not so much TLC needed to be done on the back. This, except for this. The tail light right here. The highlight thing needs to be done again. What else needs to be done on this part of the car? See we got a little that right there. That needs to be done as well. And there's some like few scratches and stuff everywhere. Goodness gracious. Boy, I need some tires. Oh no. Good thing I looked. Oh boy. Yeah, I need to get a tire quick. I need a front tire like yesterday. Jesus. Owning this car has really shown me that there's a lot of patience that goes into being an automotive YouTuber. And so, with the vision I have in mind for this car, it's tough because I'm just an avid guy. I'm literally an avid guy just like you. And I love the car. I love the car and I like the car. I love being in it. I love driving it. And so I do have a vision for this car, which I'm going to dub it the CL-GTD. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it the CL-GTD 63. So what I want to do, I have images. I had done some rendering. Not me. The iRobot did it, because I have zero talent in any of that stuff. I don't know how to put no programs and all that stuff. So I just say, hey man, render me up a body kit for my car. Gave it the prompt, the specifications of what I was looking for, and it did it. So I have 3 of those, but it's between the second one and the third one. So I have the ideas in my mind, but putting the ideas onto the car, putting it on paper, then bringing it to the car is going to be something, I don't know, something I can't do by myself. And as I said, I'm an avid guy. I'm just out here, I'm not like Rich Rebuilds. I'm not Legit Street Cars Alex. These guys are great, man. These guys are the Godfather. Sam Crack, Rich Rebuilds, Wesley Chaplin. Who else is there? There's a couple other guys that is there. There's another guy, but I completely forgot his name. M195 is a guy from Germany that works on BMWs. Like, these guys are the godfathers. They have it down to the science. Now, I won't even say the science. They have it down to the soul. It's in their soul, this thing. You know what I'm saying? It's in my soul too, but unfortunately, maybe I'm getting a later start. I am not well equipped environmentally wise, tool wise, stuff like that to really delve in. I'm gonna need a shop. I'm gonna need probably thousands of dollars. There's so much stuff that I will need. It's a big old pie. You know what I'm saying? But I definitely don't want to back down this time. I definitely want to get into this thing and just ride it out and see where it goes, because I have visions of having my own rally. Like, they got a gumball rally, whatever. Like, I have visions of having my own rally and stuff like that. And I am chatting, bro. Man is running his mouth. This video is supposed to be 10 minutes. I will cut it down. I'll cut stuff out. If I feel like I'm repeating 20 points, I'll just cut stuff out, chop it up, whatever. That's why there's editing, the magic of editing. Anyways, so the vision is there. I don't want to put the renders that I have out as yet until, like, you know, I get to a point where I know that I can really get this thing done, because, you know, anything can happen between now and then. You know, anything can happen between now and then. So it's just really the case study, not necessarily like a case study, but like making the case for myself, making the video for myself, so I can be like, all right, man, it's either you're gonna buck up or shut up. You know what I'm saying? And wide shot of the old girl, and Mercedes did a awesome job with this car. Timeless design. My car, as rough as it may be right now, she is still a beautiful car. And so this video has reached the 15 minutes time frame, which I don't want it to pass. I'm just gonna end this video here. Quick point: do I regret it? No. Would I do it again? Yes. Does having $0 in the bank account hurt? Yes, it does. But at the same time, every time I get outside and I fire up this car, it really does put a smile on my face. And with that, I want to thank you guys for coming back. Like the video, share a comment below your ideas, your thoughts about the whole idea of being a car guy. You know, this is from the perspective of a guy that's just like you. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys another time. Peace.